everybody, this is Tim from the TWBoys. I had a request to show everyone how to use the mandolin with the waffle cut blade for potatoes so we can get some waffle cut potato wedges. So let me just show you the demo. So first we're going to pop out the straight blade from the mandolin, and it just pops out just like that. You take out this blade and we're going to put in the waffle cut blade. You just pop that right in the top and press down and it snaps into place. I have my silicone baking sheet on the bottom here so that I can save some time and just cut right on the mat. Then second, I'm going to cut one of these potatoes in half so that I can get the handheld device right on the top, and then I'm going to show you how these are cut. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to do the waffle cut potato wedges. I'm going to set this on the number 1, and we are going to put in another potato here, down, and rotate. And then keep going until the potato is completely done. And then you can see that we have very thin waffle cut. Some of them will come up a little bit short, but that's all right. It's all still fun. So we have our waffle cuts, and some of these look beautiful. All right, now that I have these all out on the baking sheet, I'm gonna sprinkle this with some of my favorite seasoning salt. And put these in the oven for maybe about 15 minutes, and then I'll check the progress. Total time was 20 minutes at 350. All right, that's all the time that I have for the TWBoys today. So catch me next time. I'm going to do some more demonstrations on the mandolin so that everybody can be a pro. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see the next video. Thank you, bye.